Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have an amazing product to review that will make your baking experience so much easier. The OXO Good Grips Silicone Baking Cups, which I'm going to tell you is the best Puto Mold Cups for Steamer Filipino desserts. Now, let's dive right into what makes these silicone baking cups so special. First off, they come in a vibrant multicolor set of 12, each holding 3 ounces, perfect for a variety of treats, from cupcakes to muffins, and yes, even puto. These cups are made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, ensuring they are both food-safe and durable, lasting through countless uses. One of the standout features is the easy lift tabs. This thoughtful design ensures that you can remove your baked goods in one smooth motion without any mess. No more struggling with your delicate cupcakes or muffins. Plus, the batter fill line on the inside helps you measure the perfect amount of batter every time, ensuring uniformity and a professional finish to your baked goods. These baking cups can be used in both a muffin tin or placed directly on a baking sheet, versatility at its best. And don't worry about cleaning up. They are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. They are great not just for baking but for organizing snacks, mini desserts, or even for packing a fun bento box lunch. So, if you're looking for a reliable, reusable, and practical way to bake, these OXO silicone baking cups are your go-to. Whether you're making your favorite puto or preparing delicious cupcakes, these cups will help you achieve perfect results every time. Be sure to grab yours, and stay tuned for more reviews here at Product Critique.